Are you frustrated that your car's audio system just doesn't deliver the bass you crave? Maybe you've upgraded your speakers, but the sound still feels thin, lacking that deep, resonant punch that makes music truly immersive. The problem is simple. Factory systems rarely give you the low-end impact that transforms a drive into an experience. That's where enclosed subwoofers come in. Unlike DIY setups, enclosed subwoofers are pre-mounted in optimized boxes tuned for maximum performance and efficiency. They solve the problem of weak bass by giving you a plug-and-play solution that's compact, powerful, and designed to fit seamlessly into your vehicle. Whether you're into hip-hop, EDM, rock, or even acoustic tracks, an enclosed subwoofer adds depth and richness that makes every genre shine. Today I'm counting down the top 5 best enclosed subwoofers for car audio, starting from number 5 all the way to number 1. Stick with me until the end, because this list has an option for everyone looking for enclosed subwoofers. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe for more car audio tips and reviews. Check the links in the description for the best deals on the featured enclosed car subwoofers, and leave a comment telling me which enclosed subwoofer you'd choose. The Kicker 51HS10 Hideaway is a 10-inch compact-powered subwoofer that comes with a built-in 180-watt RMS amplifier, delivering bass down to 25 Hz. It features quick connect power and signal terminals, a remote bass control, and a slim enclosure that fits under seats or in tight trunk spaces. Despite its small footprint, it's engineered to provide a noticeable upgrade over factory sound systems. What I love most about the Kicker Hideaway is its ability to disappear into your car while still making a huge difference in sound. I've tested it in smaller sedans where trunk space is precious, and it completely changes the listening experience without taking up room. The bass is tight, controlled, and fills in the missing low frequencies without overpowering the rest of the system. It's also incredibly easy to install, which makes it appealing for beginners who don't want to deal with complicated wiring. I've found that it shines when paired with stock speakers, giving them a fuller, richer sound. It's best for drivers who want a stealthy solution that enhances their music without sacrificing practicality. The only shortcoming is that it won't rattle the windows like larger subs, but for its size, it's absolutely worth it. The Rockford Fosgate P300-8P features an 8-inch subwoofer in a ported enclosure powered by a 300-watt Class D amplifier. It includes RCA and speaker-level inputs, an adjustable low-pass crossover, bass boost equalizer, and a remote level control. The enclosure is rugged, durable, and designed for easy installation. What I love most about the Rockford Fosgate Punch is the way it delivers both volume and clarity. The ported design gives you that extra boom, making bass-heavy genres like hip-hop and EDM come alive. I've used it in hatchbacks and SUVs, and the difference is night and day compared to stock systems. The bass feels energetic and lively, and the remote control lets you fine-tune it depending on your mood or the type of music you're listening to. It's also built like a tank, so you don't have to worry about durability even if you push it hard. It's best for drivers who want plug-and-play convenience with serious punch. The only drawback is that the ported design takes up more space than sealed enclosures, but the performance makes it worth every inch. The Focal PSB 200 is an 8-inch shallow passive sealed subwoofer enclosure is designed for tight spaces, with a shallow mount driver that fits under seats or in slim compartments. It uses premium focal materials, including a reinforced cone and optimized sealed enclosure, to deliver precise, controlled bass. It handles up to 150 watts RMS and 250 watts peak power. What I love most about the Focal Shallow Sub is its accuracy. It doesn't just rumble, it delivers clean musical bass that blends seamlessly with your speakers. I've listened to acoustic tracks and jazz on this sub, and the detail is stunning. The shallow design makes it versatile, fitting into places where traditional subs simply won't go, which is a huge advantage for compact cars. It's also built with Focal's reputation for high-end audio in mind, so you know you're getting a product that prioritizes fidelity. It's best for audiophiles who value sound quality and detail over sheer loudness. The only shortcoming is that it requires an external amplifier, but once paired correctly, it's more than worth it. The Audison APBX 8DS Prima series features an 8-inch dual voice coil subwoofer with 250 watts RMS power handling and 500 watts peak. It has a 4 ohm impedance per coil, a high-density flux ferrite magnet, and a cotton fiber pressed paper cone for natural sound reproduction. What I love most about the Audison Prima is its refined performance. It delivers bass that feels rich and textured, perfect for genres like jazz, acoustic, or even classical crossover tracks. I've tested it in premium sedans, and it integrates beautifully with high-end audio systems. The enclosure is compact but engineered to maximize output, so you get a surprising amount of depth from its size. It's also versatile, working well with different amplifier setups, which makes it appealing for enthusiasts who like to customize. It's best for drivers who want premium sound quality in a compact sealed design. The only shortcoming is the higher price compared to entry-level subs, but the craftsmanship and audio fidelity make it worth every penny. The HERTZ MPBX 250S2 is a 10-inch sealed loaded subwoofer engineered for maximum precision and impact. It handles 500 watts RMS and 1000 watts peak power. It delivers deep bass with tight control thanks to HERTZ's advanced design and high-quality components. The enclosure is built to handle serious power, making it a standout choice for enthusiasts. What I love most about the HERTZ MPBX 250S2 is its authority. Every note feels powerful yet controlled, giving you that chest-thumping bass without distortion. I've tested it with rock, EDM, and even orchestral tracks, and it consistently delivers a balanced, impactful performance. The sealed design ensures accuracy, so you get bass that's punchy but never muddy. It's also built with premium craftsmanship, which means it's not just about sound, it's about durability and long-term reliability. It's best for drivers who want the ultimate combination of power and precision in their car audio system. The only shortcoming is that it's heavier than some compact options, but the performance easily justifies the weight. So, after reviewing all 5, here are my final recommendations. If you're tight on space and want a discreet upgrade, the Kicker Hideaway is your best bet. If you want plug-and-play power with extra boom, go for the Rockford Fosgate Punch. Audiophiles who value clean, accurate bass should choose the Focal Shallow Enclosure. For premium refinement and musicality, the Audison Prima is unmatched. And if you want the ultimate sealed subwoofer that delivers both power and precision, the HERTZ MPBX 250S2 is the clear winner. No matter which one you choose, you'll transform your driving experience and finally get the bass your music deserves. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. Check the links in the description for the best deals on all the enclosed car subwoofers we have reviewed today. And leave a comment telling me which subwoofer you'd go for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.